Oh, that's my high-tech phone. That is designed to be infinite.
Get up, Bridget.
Well, that's strange. Human resources.
What are you doing, Sophie? That is a weird noise. Just stand there and look at her. Go closer.
Chainsaw?
Oh, shut up.
Do a chainsaw.
Just stand there, Bridget, and go closer and
What does
closer.
Jason have? A chainsaw?
Jason has a big butcher knife thing. He has a machete. Is that what they're called?
Okay, just be still and look at her.
Do you think that you're...
Just stare at her.
Because, I need to...
Look at Vanessa.
No, look at her.
Just look at her. Don't move.
Kids, I have a problem down here.
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Are you needed to see me?
Don't move. Just look at her.
Abby's overworked. She needed help down there.
You haven't been here long enough to know what she needs yet, Jen.
The girl practically mainlines caffeine kids.
Go closer.
Guys in the mailroom call her energizer.
Okay, now back up. Now stand up.
Bridget, we're putting this on YouTube.
Okay, stand there. Stand there. Stand up tall. Put your hands on your hips.
It's going heavy. We'll talk about it.
Don't look at her now. Look at Sissy.
You can give me a month, can't you?
Don't
It's
move.
not me you have to worry about, Director. Abby works alone for a reason.
Which is?
Something you should do yourself.
I will.
Oh, jeez, Bridget, what are you trying to do?